Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Northwest Cape Coral on this beautiful Cape Coral day. As you can see, it's a beautiful morning. Temperatures are around 75 degrees. And I can tell you this home you're gonna like. It's a home that has almost everything people are looking for when they're looking here in Cape Coral. Okay, as you can see, you have a beautiful driveway, a side-load garage, and you're in an oversized lot that you could actually put a boat through the side there. Okay, and as you can see, also nice tile roof. And I tell you, this home has a lot of nice things inside. If you would like to know the price, feel free to scan the barcode on the screen and they'll take you to the full report of the home, so you have more information and the price at the time that you're watching this video. Okay, so as we come in, you're welcome with this beautiful fireplace. Check it out. And here, let me show you. You got really nice high ceilings with a beautiful fan here in the middle of the living room. And over here, you have your beautiful kitchen. As you can see, you have acrylic cabinets and quartz tops. Okay, these acrylic cabinets and quartz tops are all throughout the house on all the bathrooms. I'll show you as we go around. Now let's go ahead and stop at bedroom number 1. And as you can see, it's a nice sized bedroom. That's something this home offers. It's a pretty good size and has everything that most people are looking for in a home. Okay, like I said before, it's 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. So let's go ahead now and take a look at the guest bathroom. Let's call this bathroom number 1. And as you can see, you have your acrylic cabinets with your quartz top. And check out the tile work in this bathtub and shower. Check it out. Okay, now this is bedroom number 2. It's a little bigger than the first one, as you can see. And it's I mean, you got your setup for your TV on this wall over here, as you can see there. And over here you got your blinds that I wanted to show you, because these blinds are all throughout the house. Since I'm here, let me show you how they work. You open it up and you have this little section here that gives you enough light and also gives you some privacy. So this curtains are all throughout the house, so it's very nice to have that. That's very modern. Okay, so now we're moving over and I'm gonna show you the pantry. Okay, this is the pantry. The kitchen is to my left. The kitchen has a lot of cabinets, but this also includes this pantry, so it's very nice to have an extra place where you can put your paper towels and your accessories for your kitchen. Okay, that are very easy to get. So now we're gonna take a look over here to your laundry room, where your washer and dryer is. You have shelving on the top that you could actually add more shelves. You got a lot of space there. You got your sink over here. And now we're gonna head over to the garage. As you can see, the garage floor has epoxy, it's all painted. And you got those 2 bright windows over there that brings a lot of light. And also you have a side door, glass door. Okay, so that's very nice to have in the garage, because if you're taking out the trash, you don't gotta go through the front of the, you don't gotta go all the way around the garage, you just go out that door. Another thing I want to let you know is that this house has impact glass all throughout, so you don't have to worry about shutters. So it's already have hurricane resistant windows. Okay, let's continue here. Let's take a closer look now at the kitchen. All stainless steel appliances. Okay, you also have outlets on top of the quartz there, the islands. And check out all this space that you have here to work when you're cooking. Your nice exhaust fan. And here your 2 ovens here, your microwave and your regular oven. And let's take a look from this angle here. Okay, now let's take a look at the dining room. The dining room, as you can see, very bright with those nice curtains and you got a view of the pool. Over here you got a door that leads out to the pool. That it could be your pool bath door, because the bathroom is right on the side here. You see, the bathroom's right there. So if you're using the pool, you could use this bathroom right here. So here's the bedroom number 3. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom over here. Very similar to the other one, with your acrylic cabinets and your quartz top. Very nice and bright. Over here you have a closet for your towels. Now let's take another view here from this side. Check out the living room area. Now we're gonna go ahead and go over to the master bedroom. Take a look here at the pool area. Wait until we go outside. You're gonna really like it, especially the outdoor kitchen. So this is the master bedroom. Okay, now we're gonna take a look at the closets. There's 2 closets. Let's take a look at closet number 1. Plenty of space here. No, this is closet number 2. And now let's take a look at the master bathroom. As you can see, the nice acrylic vanities with a nice quartz. And check out the shower. Very nice tile work. Check out the floor, the tile of the shower also. Very nice and clean look. Over here you got your toilet closet. Take one more look over here, and now let's go ahead and go outside and take a look at the outdoor kitchen and the beautiful pool. And I'll show you the space you have next to the house. So if you have a trailer or a boat that you want to park, you could park it here. Also, let's go through these doors. Like I said before, all these doors are impact resistant, so nice to have. Now the alarm goes off here. Let me go back and turn off the alarm. Wait. It left a little bit open and the alarm goes up. You have to press this button when you come out. So now I press it, close the door, and let's keep going. So you can see you have a lot of space out here. If you're thinking having parties, it's a good area to have parties, or again, nice to get together with your family outside. Check out the outdoor kitchen. Beautiful. You got your 2 stoves there, refrigerator, your sink, and let me stand over here in this corner so you can see this whole area here. And check out the space that I was talking to you about. You see, if you have a trailer or a boat, you could just park it right here. Okay, now let's move around here so you can see the size of this yard. Like I said before, this lot is oversized. And one thing that I want to let you know is that this home has shutters. You see the electric shutters on the the lanai here. So when you want privacy, or you just maybe leaving home for a while, if you're up north, you could just hit a button and all the shutters close them down and give you some privacy and some security in your lanai area there. So it's really nice to have. That way, if it's afternoon that rains a lot or something, you could just hit the button and nothing gets wet. So, but check out all the area that you have here for you to relax on the pool area, and check out this other side, how much space you still have. So plenty of space if you have pets. And if you want a garden, you could maybe create a garden on this side of the home. And this is all your pool equipment. You got your pool heater. It's a saltwater system. You got your shower outside here. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this home. If you have any questions on this home or any home out there, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate in Cape Coral, Southwest Florida for over 24 years, and we would love to help you out. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. And I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you on the next one. If you would like to continue watching more videos, just click here. Thank you for watching.